Hello everyone, my name is Rubab Zahra, lecturer in English at Costa College for Women, H82 Islamabad. I am here again to share a video with you on parts of speech, and the particular parts of speech that we are going to do today is adverb. You know very well that actually adverb, it's a word that qualifies a verb, a noun, not a noun, an adjective and an other adverb. So these are the three usage of adverbs. Now comes the types of adverbs. That's the main topic. Adverb of time is the first type. It shows when. Remember, my dear students, when an action is done. Actually, it will answer you the particular time period so that you can easily assess your answer or go for the right answer, that the action, the particular action or the verb is done at this particular time. So the example is, I have heard it before. So before here is an adverb of time. Next is, he comes here daily. So daily is another adverb of time. Basically, it shows you when. When do you come or when did you come? The answer is daily, if you come daily. Okay? Okay, now, the second type is adverb of frequency. As the example is, it shows how often. Now, the difference between adverb of time and adverb of frequency is, time shows you when an action is done, while adverb of frequency shows you how many times, how often, how frequently an action takes place. So there's a little difference between the two. Do remember this difference. Okay, example is, I have told you, I have told you twice. So it shows repetition of an action. That is, twice I told you thing. So this is what you call adverb of frequency. Then, he frequently comes unprepared. Now in this sentence, frequently actually refers to adverb of frequency, because it also, like for example, often, like for example, always, all these are known as adverb of frequency because they show repetition of an action, how often an action is done. Okay, now third type is adverb of place. It shows where an action is done. Now remember that places don't mean that like the classroom, or you may say the lecture hall or the lawn or any other such structure. No, it actually refers towards directions, like for example up, down, like for example everywhere, like for example that's given here, here, there, etc. Now the examples are, stand here, she went out. Now here and out, both these are known as adverb of place. Okay, now the fourth type is adverb of manner. This is the easiest, I may call it, because many a times it takes ly at the end of an adjective, many a times, but the exception or the rare cases are also here. Like for example, if the sentence is, the play is well written, so you may say, because it will answer you the question of how an action is done, in which manner, in which way an action is done. So for example, she reads clearly. How does she read? If you ask a question, the answer is clearly, frequent, you may say easily, etc. Beautifully. So this is what you call adverb of manner. The child is sleeping soundly, or you may say slept soundly. So soundly here again tells you in which way, in which manner the child was sleeping or had slept. So the answer is soundly, and it basically is adverb of manner. Okay, now the next is, the fifth type is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree, as the name shows, is actually how much, to what extent, or in what degree an action is done. So it basically shows you the extent of an action, that to what limit, to what degree an action is completed, an action is done. For example, I am fully prepared. Like if ask the students, are you prepared for the exams? And if they say, no ma'am, I'm not fully prepared, I'm partially prepared, I'm completely prepared. So all these adverbs, they actually refer to adverb of degree. Okay, next example is she sings pretty well. Now here, pretty is an adverb of degree, that she sings quite well. Okay, next one is I'm so glad. So here, or you may say if it's very, same, both of them, they go for adverb of degree. Okay, next is adverb of affirmation and negation. Actually, there are only two adverbs, only two. Like the meaning or the apparent structure could be changed, but affirmation and negation means when you want to say yes and when you want to say no to anything and you want to use adverb, then this is what you call adverb of affirmation and negation. For example, surely you are mistaken. If I want you to affirm the particular thing, to confirm it by saying yes. So surely here basically shows the degree, or you may say the particular thing in which affirmation is used. Surely you are mistaken. Next is he certainly went. It also shows you another affirmation, that it's a confirmation that he left, he went. Okay, next one is adverb of reason. Now, adverb of reason, as the name shows, basically gives you the reason for any action. For example, like that's why, like even hence, therefore, these are called adverb of reasons. The examples are, he therefore left school. Whatever the reason is, actually you are providing your answer or your example with the particular reason of leaving the school or any particular space. So he therefore left school. The culprits were hence unable to refute the charges. So here hence is another example of adverb of reasons. Now comes the last part. This is what you call interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverb, the example could be differ according to the types of adverb, but the definition is so simple that it is used to ask questions, and basically it refers to certain adverbs. For example, if the question is where is Essen, or for example where were you, you may name it, you may go for a person pronoun, etc. So here where basically shows you an adverb of place. So it is actually interrogative adverb because it is used in the form of a question. WH word is used. At the end of the statement, there is a question mark which clearly indicates that it's an interrogative adverb. Okay, next one is, why are you late? Again, it refers to the reason. Tell me the reason. So it is also known as interrogative adverb. Okay, the last one is, when did you come? Now, you know very well that when means that it refers to adverb of time. So this is all for today. These were the types of adverbs. Inshallah, see you in the next video with other parts of speech. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.